Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, before we start with our discussion, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nadiah binti Md Azman and my matric number is 256143. So, the reason why I'm making this video is to discuss with you about the issue pertaining to retail financing, which is we only focus on profit and loss financing. So, in profit and loss financing, they have various type of financing, but in this video, we focus on mudarabah and musyarakah financing. Before we go deeply on discussion about issue pertaining to retail financing, which is mudarabah and musyarakah financing, we have to know what is retail financing. Retail financing is financing method which can provide capital for various purposes. In conclusion, we can conclude that retail financing is different types of debt that can be used by company for business need or customer lending. After we know about retail financing, we can proceed to mudarabah and musyarakah financing. I have prepared some video for your understanding to know about mudarabah and musyarakah financing, about the application and so on. So let us watch the video first before we proceed with the issue. So hi, welcome back. So from previous video that I have provided to you, you have understand more about mudarabah and musyarakah financing is. So we can proceed with our discussion, which is issue pertaining to mudarabah and musyarakah financing. So firstly, the issue is mudarabah and musyarakah financing is high level of risk, which we can say that in mudarabah financing, bank has to act as capital provider instead of their investor or their partner, which means that bank has to bear the loss when the loss happen, while their customer doesn't have to bear any loss, which bring to high risk to the bank. Okay, next is inadequate demand from customer due to complexity in implementing the product, which is in musyarakah and mudarabah financing, they have stringent regulation. And lastly, lack of expertise and skilled staff. Based on the study, several recommendations that could be implemented in order to increase the use of musyarakah and mudarabah contracts. Firstly, the rules of existing third-party guarantors such as syarikat jaminan kredit perumahan and also credit guarantee corporation should be increased in order to reduce the risk from musyarakah and mudarabah contracts. Next is the government should intervene more directly in order to use musyarakah and mudarabah contracts by financing their projects to use musyarakah and mudarabah contracts. Next is government should also use musyarakah and mudarabah contracts in their various types of scheme offered by other authorities such as SME bank and agro banks. Next is IFI should review their rules as Islamic bank. For example, IFI should re-examine their rules as capital provider and transform themselves to service provider. And further lastly, IFI should also promote their as authorities. IFI should also increase the public awareness by doing promotion through public forums, and so on. That's all from me. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.